right, there's only one more major feature just to kind of put into this, and that's the ability to delete. Okay, so again, our app component has gotten quite huge. Let's see here. Let's see here. We want to add another function. There's our handle edit function. I'm going to copy and paste that. Because it's going to be very similar. And this will be handle delete. It doesn't take data, it just takes the ID. And this time the URL is delete. And the method is going to be delete. There is no need for headers because we're not sending any data. We're just saying delete this. There is no body. We're not. That should be all we need. And I will just use the get persons function again. I will be lazy. Okay. I mean, I could, if I wanted to be more performant, I could just go in there and do a find on the array and splice it out instead of grabbing the whole, doing a whole other API request. But I think I don't want to overcomplicate it more than I have. Okay, so save. So there's our function that'll handle deletion. So now we just need to add a delete button to each of our peoples. So let's go to where we iterate over each person. That is over here. Okay, in our loaded variable, and we're just going to add a delete button. So we're going to have a button, and that button will have an on-click function, which will equal a arrow function that calls the handle delete function and passes in the person's ID, person ID, and that is person dot underscore ID. Let's do that. Okay, so that is that, and then we just need to make the button say delete, and that should be it. Now there should be a delete button. I should be able to delete. Okay, so now let's just delete some Alex's. Let's just delete everyone but Bob. Okay, and we deleted everybody, and that's just Bob's left. Okay, so the delete button works. Ta-da! Okay, so the delete button was pretty straightforward. That's nice compared to the update, which took a while. So the next video we'll deploy our project, and yeah, we'll have succeeded in doing this thing. Okay, and I'll probably remove some of these console logs. So let's do that real quick first. Okay, so let's do Control F for find. And let's find any instances of console logs. We don't need that. Save. It just makes for nicer code. And I have all these console logs coming in. Okay. Get rid of this console log, since it is all working. Save. Cool. I'll see you guys in the next video.